Okay. So yesterday where we left, okay. Okay. So we have selected a directory, right? Can you open that directory once? Yeah. Yeah, this will be fine also. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So I will give you some commands. Like you can change the directory using the command cd. Can you type cd? Yeah, in bracket start, and in quotes you paste whatever path you have copied. Enter. Okay, this is the path where you were in. Okay, again, if you press on the arrow button on the left hand side on top, maybe left hand side top, yeah, then you will be going into the previous directory. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do, we will switch back to there where the files are there. Okay.
Yes.
And then what we will do, we will read what are the file names and all those things are there, and then we will come back here.
Okay.
So what you can do, you just type in there, maybe in line 23 you type, enter. Yeah, cd, maybe ui get file or ui get dir, ui get dir, ui get dir, dir. Yeah, bracket open, bracket close. Yeah, and beside, okay, yeah. Then you store the output of this function into some variable. Can you store it into some variable? Output of this, yeah. This function output, you assign it to some variable. No.
Uh,
The function will give an output, right? Ui get dir. That you
yeah.
need to assign it into some variable. Okay, so r equal to that function. No. Line 23 only. Okay, the function will give some output, right? That will be
Yes.
stored in R. Okay,
Yes.
so you have the directory now. Now, if you press Control Enter, it will ask you to select a directory where you want to scan it. Okay, go to the place where the files that you have located just.
Okay.
Yeah, files you will not be able to see. Okay, the only directory you need to select. Select. Okay, now check what is variable R, left side. Okay, this is the location where the files are there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what we will do, we will tell user to select some directory. That directory we will scan, and then we will come back with the file names. So first we will do, like, after that 23 line, you'll write in line 24 cd, line 24 cd. Yeah, the bracket open, and then inside that you write R, capital R. Yeah. Then next line, maybe give a pause, 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 bracket open, small p. Okay. 2 seconds pause we will give. Yeah, 2. Give 2. 2 means 2 second. Okay. Next line, CD, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, you don't know where you came from, right? So you are going from here to somewhere and then coming from there to here. So you don't know whether what is this directory. So what you need to do, you type after line 23, yeah, that current, type current equal to current directory. Okay, this is current directory, pwd. Pwd, if you type small letter pwd. Okay, bracket open, bracket close, or just pwd is fine, I think. Yeah, type pwd in the command prompt, enter. Okay, this is your current directory that you are in. So first what we did, first we read what is the user input, that where we want to go. Then we logged our current directory where we are in already. And maybe you can remove the brackets after pwd. Yeah, yeah, give a semicolon there. Yeah, suppress. Yeah, and then what we did, we gone to the user defined directory, and then we came back from the user defined directory to current directory. So in second cd you give argument as current. Line number 27, you can give argument as current, same current that you have defined. Okay, so we have gone inside and we have came back, but we didn't do anything. So in between that two statements, we need to do something that is reading the file. What are the files are there? Okay, file names are there. So what we can do, we will type dir in the command window equal to some variable, maybe fname or yeah, dir equal to dir, maybe d equal to dir. It is better because reserve word if we use, then it is not good. Yeah, enter, bracket open, bracket close. Maybe. Yeah, that is fine. D is stored.
Okay.
Maybe can you try with bracket open, bracket close, because yeah, that will be better. No, function name, bracket open, bracket close, dir, enter. Okay, yeah, go inside the dir d variable that you have created. Here names of files are there, where which folder it is there, when it is created, is it is there, how much byte size it is there, and it is a directory or not, means it is a folder or not, that it is representing, and date time when it is created, that it is representing in date time format. Okay,
Okay.
so we need to have only names. Okay, so you want only names to read. Okay, so what are
Hmm.
the names that are names of file that are there? You need to read them in the directory, and then you come back here and print them one by one in for loop. Okay,
Okay.
so how you will do that? Can you again open the d variable? We will try one name, and we will, yeah. So d dot name, can you type d dot name? D dot name. Name is the field, okay.
Yeah.
Name, and enter. Okay, it has returned all the file names. Okay, so instead of d dot name, you can type d dot uh, d bracket open, bracket close, inside that one. Yeah, one. Then after bracket dot name, enter. Okay, first one it returned. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, you need to change the index D2, D3 like that, and you need to print the file names.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the format of how you get the file names. Okay. So
Okay.
now what you need to do, you need to go to the directory that you have defined. Then you need to execute the dir. Then you will come back here and then you will print one by one the values. So between two CDs, you need to type D equal to dir.
Before here.
Yeah, anything is fine, but between these two CD.
Okay.
Yeah, D is equal to dir, you can type. Okay, so what you are doing, just write that in the comment format. First 23 line, what you are doing, give percentage after the, no, give percentage after that line. Yeah, after that percentage. Yeah, here what you are doing, you are taking the directory from the user that you need to write. Yeah. Okay, next what you are doing, you are tracking your current directory, means logging in your current directory. Yeah. Then what you are doing, you are changing the directory which user has specified. Okay, then you are reading the directory details. Then you are pausing for 2 seconds, means waiting for 2 seconds so that you can see like whether directory has changed or not. Okay,
Yeah.
this is for your reference only. If you don't
Yes.
keep that also, it is fine. Then changing back to the current directory. Okay,
Yes.
then you need to use the for loop like you have done for D1 name, D2 name, to print what are the things are there in the for loop. So for that you need to know what is the length of D. Okay, so double click on D, left side. Okay, type down command window. Yeah, length of D, bracket open, bracket close, D. Yeah, what is the length of D? Enter. Okay, total 10 elements are there. Can you verify? 10 elements are there.
Yes.
Okay, so that number you need to use. Okay, so
Okay.
use length of D to generate the length of the fields. Okay, so yeah, there is a editor part, right? Editor on top,
Yes.
editor is written.
So
Yeah.
one second. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you go back to the script again.
1 second. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes. Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, go back to the script and type the same command to get the length of the, yeah. First, you need to get the length. Okay, copy that command and assign the output of the function into some variable.
Yeah, it is okay.
Okay, assign it to some variable. Yeah. Okay, so length is 10, and we will start from 1 to 10 with interval of 1. So you should write in the for loop 1 colon L. Okay, so this will start from 1 and it will end at L.
No.
Then we need to print individual things. So individual file names. Then in
Okay.
that case, how we will print it? We will use the percentage s in the sprintf statement. Okay, you can use percentage s in the sprintf statement. No, there in percentage I, instead of percentage I, you can use percentage s. Okay, and what is the accessible variable?
Yeah,
d1 dot name, right?
yes.
Yeah, so write the same thing in the format of I, capital I format. I will be changing. So D bracket open bracket close, inside that I will change, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you give it bracket open bracket close, inside that I. So first iteration, what it will be? D1 dot name, right? Then second iteration D2 dot name. No. It should be like you have already done it. Can you check the previous history? Instead of the number, you need to give the I. Not there in the command history. If you press upper arrow key, you will be able to see it. 1, 2, 8, you have used, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, those instead of the number, you need to use I, because that I will only change, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of the number, you can use the I.